armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Donetsk direction, the Russian troops, supported by artillery of the U group of forces, eliminated more than 155 Ukrainian troops, 3 armored vehicles, 5 motor vehicles, and 1 D-30 howitzer. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, aviation and artillery of the Vostok group of forces inflicted fire damage on the Ukrainian units close to Ugledar and Novomikhailivka in Donetsk People's Republic. The total losses of the enemy in these directions amounted to 70 Ukrainian servicemen, 3 motor vehicles, and 1 D-30 howitzer. In the Kherson direction, Russian troops have neutralized up to 35 Ukrainian troops, 10 motor vehicles, and 1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer during the day. In total, 404 airplanes, 224 helicopters, 3,573 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,399 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,072 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,428 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,114 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 920 servicemen in a single day, including 6 tanks, 11 armored fighting vehicles as well as 7 artillery units and 9 air defense systems. In total, Kremlin lost 169,890 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,580 tanks, 6,932 armored fighting vehicles as well as 305 jet fighters and 291 helicopters. Russia and Ukraine lasts for 395 days. There is still no peace talk agreements between two sides. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky in a statement March 25 said Ukraine needs a victory over the enemy at sea as well as on land and in the sky. Thank you for protecting our state in the maritime defense sector, in the Ukrainian Navy and the Coast Guard of the State Border Guard Service.
Україні потрібна перемога над ворогом у морі, так само, як на землі і у небі. Російські кораблі вже завчили єдину для них перспективу в українських водах. Російський чорноморський флагман вже продемонстрував, що очікує будь-яку посудину, яка загрожуватиме Україні. І лише питання часу, коли вона повторить курс Москви. Наші сили оборони та безпеки міцно довели, що український Зміїний не терпітиме ворожого прапору. І це
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.